Hello friends and welcome to the Fabric Loft. Today I am painting some simple cacti and planter pots. I am using basic watercolor cakes for this artwork. I have already drawn my cactus using a pencil with a light hand. This makes it easier to follow the shapes. Sometimes I like to freehand, but when you have more than one object, it is nice to have guidelines. A basic rule of using watercolor paint is that the tiniest amount of paint goes a long way. The amount of water that your brush holds helps in quantifying the density of the paint. Therefore, more water means a lighter wash of paint and vice versa. In this technique, I am picking up the paint at full saturation and then using water to spread the remainder of the paint. As I am using only greens to lay down the first layer of paint, this step is a great means to add dimension and shadows by using a variety of green. As you can see, I am laying down all the green shades first, as this will form the base for detailing. Watercolor is a forgiving medium, and you can always add more water to change or modify a shape. I like to let a certain spot dry before adding color to a shape next to it. Keep going with this method until the entire base is ready. Planter pots, I am using a light wash of black that looks almost gray. I like to use a paper towel as a stamping tool to lighten the color. Don't be afraid to stamp too much, as you can add the paint right back in. To add detailing and dimension, I use a bunch of different techniques such as line work and stippling. I like to layer from light to dark until I am happy with the outcome. I am using the different shades of green at different opacities to make it look slightly realistic. Some of my favorite detailing techniques are dots, dashes, tiny crosses, and irregular lines. Watercolor painting is an amazing tool for beginners to understand shapes and the distribution of color gradients. It is a tool which does require a ton of practice, but once you have it down, it's almost therapeutic. Thank you for watching this tutorial and I hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you again for some more.